field with the cipher box, and I'm going to show you the wardriving capabilities that captures GPS and Wi-Fi data. So here we have the cipher box, and there's quite a few different modules going on, but this is the GPS module, and then we have the MicroSD card module over here, and on the screen it captures the GPS data such as the latitude and longitude, and then it also captures the altitude, satellite, and some other information and the date. And then it also captures the Wi-Fi networks in the area. Right now I'm in the field, so I'm not really catching much network data at the moment. And then it logs how many scans you've done. So then it saves it all to the microSD card, and it saves it in a .csv. So you can upload it to wriggle.net, or you can just do more analysis elsewhere. But yeah. Portable ESP32. Portable ESP32 Wardriver. Sorry the screen's a little blurred because of the lighting. There you go. And this is really good just for some out in the field analysis or testing at your home networks. You can even see here, even out, in the middle of nature, still getting some sort of networks, whether it's like hotspots or whatever, and then you can just do more cybersecurity analysis that way. But yeah, look forward to more videos. On the cipher box, my ESP32 cybersecurity hacker tool, and I'm going to show you more capabilities, and hopefully pretty soon I'll have all the firmware and stuff ready to go, and open source for all. Peace.